Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Avenger side mirror. Start by lowering the glass and removing the interior trim panel carefully to expose fasteners. Disconnect the mirror wiring harness and label connectors for correct reinstallation. Remove the 3 mounting bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent drops. Transfer any glass or motor components to the new mirror, then reattach and test the functions before final trim reinstallation. Prepare your workspace with good light and lay a towel to protect paint. Keep a small container near you for bolts and clips to avoid losing them. Use a panel pry tool to prevent damaging plastic trim when removing the interior access panel. Confirm the replacement mirror matches the mounting pattern and wiring harness before starting. Wear gloves if needed to protect hands from sharp edges. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for storing bolts and small parts while you work, and they seal tight so nothing spills into the door cavity. I find them handy in the garage and they clean easily. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Loosen the 3 bolts while holding the mirror firmly to avoid dropping it. Pull the old mirror straight out after the bolts are removed and disconnect the wiring harness. Transfer any motor or glass components if the new mirror is a bare shell, then position the replacement and thread bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten to snug, reconnect the wiring, restore power, and test mirror adjust and heater functions before final trim reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.